If you want to create AI wallpaper on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all, we need to go to the settings. Now, over here in the settings, we're gonna choose personalize. And let's go to this lock screen in order to find wallpaper options. And here we want to choose Image Studio. Now, over here, you should be able to select create an image. Over here, we can choose the aspect ratio as well as the style. The style is optional, but let's say I'm gonna choose Impressionist. And then over here we have a prompt, so we can describe how the wallpaper should look like. So let's say I'm gonna write a dog in a rocket. There we go. And after that, we can press generate image. Wait a couple of seconds. You should be able to get several options. So you can always choose the one that you like the most. You can always redo and so on and so forth. And there we go. We have some examples. So let's say that I like this one the most. In order to set this one as the wallpaper, we need to tap on these three dots in the top right corner. And there we go. Here we have set as wallpaper. Of course, we can move left and right, zoom in and zoom out. And there we go. Once we are ready, we can press set wallpaper in the top right corner. And then we can set the wallpaper on home screen, lock screen, or both. I'm gonna choose to use it on both, the home screen and lock screen. And there we go. We have a new wallpaper that is AI generated. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.